What would you do if you lose everything from where you are and from where you wanted to be? You are just one funnel away. Hey guys, my name is Sagar. I hope you are doing great. If you are following my journey, I had just recently completed my Facebook Live challenge where I talk about entrepreneurship, a little bit about online business. Right. So today I'm going to share that what I have recently started the another challenge that is called 30 days challenge. It is all about how you can build your online business from scratch in just 30 days. This challenge I have taken already in the month of April, but I have taken it again because it helped me to change the perspective of the marketing, the business completely, right? So I want to learn more. That's the reason why I have taken again, right? So I want to tell you what is this one funnel away challenge all about. This one funnel away challenge is started by ClickFunnels company, right? ClickFunnels is one of the best marketing software uh, which helps entrepreneur to increase the sales, because funnel is something which use customer journey, customer psychology, right? In this current scenario, website is completely dead. You have to have a sales funnel that converts much better, and that's create more and more business, more and more leads. Irrespective of any business, whether you have into service business, whether you are into product business, or you are into any industry you name, it can helpful for you to grow your business. Even if you don't have any idea, but you are planning to start something online, then it's also help you to promote other people product through affiliate marketing. But you have to understand the core principle, core basic fundamentals of online business. This challenge changed my perspective of life, business to a next level. So I highly recommend, at least once in life you must take this challenge. This is one of the best course. It is not like any other course where you just learn about self by self paced. So each and every day you will get your mission. You will coach by three top marketer in ClickFunnels. One is Russell Brunson, the CEO of ClickFunnels. Second is Steve Larson. Third is Julie. So Russell is the strategic part, like he'll give you the strategy about the each and every day. Then Steve Larson, he's going to help you like how you should be more action oriented, and Julie will help you uh, to like handhold like about your how you actually put your strategy into work. So apart from these three coaches, you have live coaching calls also, right? So this is going to change a complete perspective of your looking into the business. So in this 30-day challenge, they will cover four core principles. So first week, what currently I am doing is, this is a mindset part, because mindset is very important irrespective of any business, because business is logical, human being is emotional, right? So at least we should connect our emotional part. Emotional intelligence should be strong before jumping into anything. So that's the reason why 1 week they have taken as a pre-training, pre uh, pre-challenge. In this free challenge, they will learn about you will learn about belief system, your failure, how to avoid failures, right? About so many success stories like this. And the next 4 week will be completely on technical part. Like first part, you need to understand the offer, like what product you should promote. If you have promote, how to create a great offer. If you don't have any product, how to find out the right best product in the market. And the second week you will learn about story, because story sells, right? You have to include your story so that people listen and they will purchase, right? And it should be your true story. You have to include in your marketing message. The third week, the most important thing, you will learn about funnel building, like how you can build a funnel, because funnel is the backbone of your marketing. I said it will in that part you will understand the customer psychology, the customer journey, how customer will think, because funnel is the best salespersons when you are not present in front of your customer, right? You have to make your funnel such a way that it sells, right? You have to write your copy such a way that it will converts, right? So in the very last stage, after funnel, it is not over, right? You have to get customer into your funnel. So for that you need traffic. That is the most important thing, because traffic is something you get from various sources like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So there are various strategies you have to implement: Facebook ads, Google ads, various way you can find it out. There are so many, like 100 plus strategies are there, but in that they have covered few of the traffic secrets. So this is all about this 30 days challenge. So I'll highly recommend this training if you have like if you are planning to invest on anything, right? So just try to invest at least on this challenge. This will cost you $200. So in India, like it will cost you around 7,500. But if you do not like, or if you do not feel it is good for you, even if in the 29th day you ask for a refund, they will completely refund the full money, right? So I am also promoting it. So if you purchase from my link, at least I have bonus for you. That is, I'll give you Russell Brunson's any book you want. He has Traffic Secret, .com Secret, and Expert Secret. Any book you want, just write me a mail like which book you want. I'll give you once you complete the challenge. So take this challenge with me and let's complete it, right? So thank you so much for listening. I hope you like it.